In this question, we have to find the value of under root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 up to infinity. It's going up to infinity. Now, for these types of questions, the easiest way is to take them equals to some variable, say x. This whole thing is equal to x. Now, you should know this concept that if something is going to infinity, 1, 2 numbers don't really matter. If we take just this part and the whole thing is actually the same, na? Even if you ignore 1 under root 2, we are still going to get the same number up to infinity. So this part and this whole thing is actually the same value. So we can write this as under root 2 plus x. It is equal to x. Now to solve this, we can square both the sides. So we'll square both these sides. We'll get 2 plus x equals to x square. This is a very simple quadratic equation. We can bring all of these things on one side. So it is x square minus x minus 2 equals to 0. We can factorize it or you can use the quadratic formula. For factorizing, we need two factors of 2. Here we are getting a minus sign. So whose difference is 1. That's simple. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we'll write this as x square minus 2x plus 1x minus 2 is equal to 0. We can take x common from the first two terms. We'll get x minus 2. And we can take 1 common from the next two terms. We'll get x minus 2 again equals to 0. Both of these terms have x minus 2. So we can take that common. So we have x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 1 equals to 0. Because the product of these number is 0. So either x minus 2 will be 0. That will give us x equals to 2, or x plus 1 is 0. That will give us x equals to minus 1. But x equals to minus 1 can't be the answer because this is under root. Inside the under root, if we get some result, it should be positive. Whatever the value of x is, it's definitely a positive number. Otherwise, it won't be a real number. So, minus 1 is not possible. So, this is the answer. X is equal to 2. So, the value of this whole equation is also in fact 2. And we are still at 6 only. So, please, alright, remember to do this.